Hello, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Keroppi from Sanrio. It's gonna be a little cute frog. We're gonna start with the eyes on the top of the page. Make it pretty big. And repeat the same eye on the other side. Once you're both done with both eyes, we need a little iris. A little bit smaller and closer to the middle on either side. That's looking great. And let's just draw in two nice highlights. And let's color in the black. Once you're done with the eyes, let's go over to the cheeks. On the side of the face, we want to draw in one side and the other side. Once you're done with the cheeks, we want to connect the two sides, like so. And for the mouth, it's going to be a simple V, like so. And we want to add two blushes, so one right here and another one. Let's repeat on the other side. One, two. And to continue, we want to go on the side of the body down. On either side, these are going to be the sides of the body. And let's draw in the first arm. And the second one, same thing. We're going to do 3 fingers. Now we want to draw the feet similar to the arm. We need 3 little toes. And connect with another foot. And all we really need is a line in the body straight across, like so. And then we need 2 stripes for the body. One line, 2 lines for the stripes, and there you have it. Once you're done with your drawing of Keroppi, all we need is color real quick. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give a like and subscribe. And if you have suggestions for any other characters, please leave it in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one.